Welcome to my channel everyone, I'm Key. This is part 2 of this chair sock tutorial. The link for part 1 is in the description below. Round 7, we make 9 single crochets in the first 9 stitches. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yarn over hook, we are going to crochet 6 front post double crochet in a 6 double crochet stitch. First front post double crochet, second front post double crochet, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Snip stitch to this single crochet from the last round, single crochet stitch, and repeat that for another 2 times. The yarn over hook, make 6 front post double crochet in 6 double crochet stitch, 2 front post double crochet, 3, 4, 5. It's all crochet in the double crochet stitch. 6th, and snip stitch to the single crochet stitch from last round. Repeat that 6 front post double crochet, 1, 2 front post double crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6. Snip stitch to the single crochet stitch, and now make 6 front post double crochet again, 3, 4, 5, 6 front post double crochet. Now we're not going to do snip stitch, and we are going to crochet 8 single crochets in the last 8 stitches. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's the finishing round. Snip stitch to join the round, chain 1. Round 8, crochet 9 single crochets in the first 9 stitches. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we are going to crochet front post double crochet decreasing. So in that 6 front post double crochet, we decrease to become 3 double crochets. So make 1 half finished double crochet, front post, and to the second stitch also make unfinished double crochet, and pull the yarn through 3 stitches, so that become 1 stitch. Yarn over hook, make 1 unfinished front post double crochet, and make another unfinished front post double crochet. Yarn over hook, pull the loops through 3 loops. So next we're going to decreasing again. From 2 stitches become 1 stitch. Insert the hook to the last round, we have a slip stitch. Insert the hook to the slip stitch, make a slip stitch as well. So following, we are just going to repeat this decreasing and slip stitch decreasing from 6 stitches to 3 stitches, and snip stitch decreasing and snip stitch decreasing, and then a single crochets after that. Please follow the pattern and finish the round. Snip stitch to the first stitch and to join the round and cut off the yarn. Round 9. This round is super easy. We're going to use dark brown for this round. Insert the hook to the first stitch to make a single crochet. Pull the yarn through chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in the same stitch. The pattern is make 9 single crochets for the first 9 stitches. So 1 single crochet in each stitch, make 9 single crochets, and I'll meet you there. After 9 single crochets, we are going to decrease the stitches. So make two stitches become 1 stitch. I'm just going to pick up the front loop for both stitch and make 1 single crochet so that 2 stitches become 1 stitch. That's 1 decreasing. We are going to decrease 7 times in total. Pick up the front loop from the first stitch and pick up the loop from front loop from the next stitch. Make a single crochet. So we just reduced 2 stitches, and we're just going to repeat this pattern. In total, we are going to decrease 7 times, and this is the 3rd time. Please decrease in another 4 times and I'll meet you there. After 7 decreasing stitches, we are going to make 9 single crochets for the rest of the 9 stitches. Just simply crochet 1 single crochet in each stitch. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round and chain 1. Round 10. Crochet 1 double crochet in each stitch. The first double crochet you can crochet like I do, or you can just use chain 3 instead. For this round, we are going to crochet 25 double crochets in 25 stitches. After you finish 25 double crochets, this is how it looks like, and snip stitch to the first stitch to join around. Chain 1. Yarn over hook and crochet 1 half double crochet from the first stitch. So the pattern for this round is crochet 1 half double crochet in each stitch, which means you crochet 25 half double crochets in 25 stitches. Make sure you have 25 stitches and snip stitch to the first stitch to join around and chain 1. Round 12 is same to round 10, exactly same. So crochet 25 double crochets to 25 stitches and snip stitch to the first stitch after you finish that and chain 1. I'm happy for the length here, so I'm just going to cut off the yarn. But if you want it to be longer, you can continue crochet double crochet or half double crochet, doesn't really matter, until the length that you want. For the paw area, the yarn needle with the dark brown color, insert the hook, insert the needle like this, pull the yarn through and go back to the beginning and push it out to the second gap. So you got that dark brown color there. So just repeat that for all 3 gaps, or whatever you call it. Yeah, just do this and turn it inside out and tie it and within the ends. cut off the yarn, pull it through, and I just simply tied it together and weaving ends. It doesn't really matter because it's inside, so yeah, just simply weaving it and cut off the yarn. Turn it back. Look how cute is that? This is how you crochet in this chair sock, step by step. You learned how to crochet this cute paw sock today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe for more crochet videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you next time.